Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. Today we're working on this 2013 Ford Edge. The battery's located right here under the hood. It's pretty easy to get to. But before we begin, it's always a good idea we check with our manufacturer step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project. You have everything you need. You don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the battery's negative terminal and set it off to the side. Next, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. And then remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Replace the cap and wrap in a shop towel to prevent it from touching any metal on the vehicle. And set it off to the side. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need an 8mm wrench for this. Then remove the hold-down bracket and bolt. Now we're ready to remove the old battery and its heat shield. In the case of our vehicle, the heat shield is missing. If yours is missing, we recommend buying a replacement as it will prolong the life of your battery. Now we can install the replacement battery and heat shield. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket. And tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the battery's positive terminal. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on the terminal and the cable connection before doing so. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. Finally, replace the negative battery cable onto the battery's negative terminal. And tighten the fastener. And we're done.